Hello, second grade. This is Miss Rottet. Today we are going to learn all about the different types of ecosystems. We will discover and learn all about a habitat's abiotic and biotic factors. Both of these are absolutely necessary for an ecosystem to survive. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what living and non-living things can be found in different habitats all around our world. An ecosystem is a community of interacting organisms and their environment. Each different type of ecosystem contains abiotic and biotic factors. Abiotic factors refer to the non-living parts of an environment. This can include sunlight, temperature, water, soil, wind, and even natural disasters like earthquakes, fires, and volcanic eruptions. Biotic factors are the living parts of an environment. This can include animals, birds, plants, and different types of organisms. Together, these abiotic and biotic factors create a thriving ecosystem. They create a balance where each feature is dependent on another. Organisms can only survive in their ecosystem if their specific needs are met. If a new organism comes into a habitat where it doesn't belong, it can start to cause drastic changes. All around the world, you can discover different habitats. Throughout our unit, we will be studying a variety of ecosystems and discovering the wonders found in each. One type of habitat is the desert. In the desert, you will find cacti, tumbleweeds, and camels. The Arctic tundra is full of icebergs, saltwater, whales, and polar bears. The savanna is home to flocks of gazelles and lion prides. It is filled with tall grass and baobab trees. The ocean is full of beautiful, colorful, tropical coral reefs with all different sizes of marine life. In the rainforest, monkeys swing from vines while jaguars hide in all the tall trees. The forest is one habitat we can find in our own backyard. Deer, bears, and chipmunks have made the forest their home.
Recently, we have been learning about all the different types of ecosystems in our world, and we are going to continue brainstorming ideas on how to create our ecosystem diorama. You are located on our Google Classroom page under Mr. Ted's Science class. Take your mouse and move it up towards the top and click on Classwork. This will take you to our online habitat creator. Move your mouse over to the link and click it. It will take you to a new web page. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down. Here you will see the Habitat Maker. It's an online simulation for us to create and explore ecosystems and all of their abiotic and biotic factors. Take your mouse and click on the picture. When you're on this new web page, again, scroll down. Here you will see a map of all the different type of ecosystem examples. For today, I'm going to use the Arctic tundra. And you want to click the first button that says Create Printable Habitat. Here is a picture of the Arctic tundra. Down the bottom, there is a bunch of different examples of all the animals and vegetation that we can add to our ecosystem. All you do is hover over the picture and you click it. It will pop up on the screen where you are able to move as well as resize the pictures. For example, I think the tree is a little too small, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And then once you are finished adding all of your different animals and plants, you will hit the Done button. This will take you to a screen where down the bottom you are able to add your own paragraph listing all the different resources and abiotic and biotic factors that you use to help you plan out your ecosystem diorama. When you are finished, you go up to the top and hit Print Habitat, which will connect you to our printer in order for you to save the work you have created.
Now that we have discovered and understand the difference between abiotic and biotic factors, we are going to take our new learning and create an ecosystem diorama. Remember, abiotic factors are the non-living parts, whereas biotic factors are the living parts. We will be looking more closely at specific ecosystems and learning all about their features.